councils are on the move.
That's what I do. I do say Ponce.
Beautiful rainbow this morning after some really nasty squalls. Wow, look at that, and now we have a double rainbow. We've just picked up off the mooring ball. We're headed out of Great LAMESHUR. This has been an amazing bay to be in for a couple of days. We're buddy boating with our friends right there on Lady K.
Oh yeah, what a treat.
The councils are on the move.
Yes, we are. We are going to Francis Bay, which is about a 2-hour sail.
We spent 2 nights in Great LAMESHUR and it was awesome. It was beautiful. It was fairly calm. We had some squalls and some big wind gusts, but we were pretty protected in that bay. And our friends Linda and Paul arrived, which was so fun. But to be able to actually buddy boat with them now is just such a gift.
Yesterday we took a walk. There's a road and also trails off the road from Little LAMESHUR Bay, and they go by an old rum factory that is a coral reef rum factory, I believe, which is just an old historic relic. It's been closed since I think 1917. We saw hermit crabs, we saw deer, and it was
Spiders.
Just a great hike.
What were those bees, the wasps called? We saw beautiful flowers and agave. It was just a beautiful hike.
We're just out really enjoying sailing with friends and exploring the island.
We're on MAHO Beach, honey.
Oh, we are on MAHO, the famous MAHO.
Famous MAHO.
Boy, this place is popular. There are tons of people here.
Did some good snorkeling.
Yes,
Saw a lot of stuff.
I know.
Pretty day.
Good times. Just one of many, many places that you can go with your boat and enjoy.
Yeah.
And
It's our last day here.
I know.
Heading to St. Thomas tomorrow.
I know.
Going to pay our mooring ball fee at the mooring pay station. Cute little floating dock here. Goodbye St. John's and MAHO Bay. Today we are headed to St. Thomas, our final 2 days in the USVI. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. We've got the current with us today, which is awesome. Captain Brown's at the helm, we got the jib up. And we are moving at 7.4 knots. There's Cokie Point and the aquarium. So many great memories here. This is where I first learned to scuba dive with my friend Scott Tilton. This is Megan's Bay. We're excited to anchor here. It's been a long time since I've been here, like 15 years. Bye guys! Love you guys! See you again soon, we hope! So we have said goodbye to the U.S. Virgin Islands. We are on our way out of Megan's Bay. Say goodbye to our friends Paul and Linda. We're gonna miss having buddy boat. And we are sailing off to the west today. It is a long journey back to America and we have got to get going. So today we hit the Spanish Virgin Islands and we are hoping then to get to Puerto Rico in the next few days as well. We're excited to continue our journey and get closer to the US. And we're gonna hug the coast of St. Thomas and see if we can get our jib up and do a little sailing. And we are headed to the Spanish Virgin Islands, Culebra, which I think 6 months ago we never even knew existed. Did you know they existed?
No, I didn't. I'd heard about them, and there's these exotic places that very few people ever went, and now we're on our way, and I've heard really good things about them.
Yep.
Beautiful, unspoiled, not touristy.
Yeah. So that'll be about a 4.5 hour sail. We're just sailing with a jib at the moment.
It's getting us dead west, which is where we need to be. We need to get to North Carolina, Cape Hatteras by June the 1st. So we really have to get a move on it.
Yeah, that's a lot of miles.
Do we? So as long as we're heading west, that's good.
There's Captain Brown doing a great job.
That's what I do.
We are arriving in the town of DEWEY in the Spanish Virgin Islands. So that's the bridge that they built. They opened it once, they couldn't shut it. And then the engineers figured out a way to shut it and they've shut it permanently. So now it just stays closed. There's your history lesson. So we are on US soil and headed to just walk around town a little bit. Hola.
Hola.
Look at the colors.
Wow, I love that.
Ah, look, honey. So we left Culebra this morning at 6:30, thinking we would have an easy 4-hour sail to Vieques.
So we got started out and we double reefed the main so we could be extra conservative, and we pulled jib out. We were making about 4 knots.
Not even 3 knots.
We were at a beam reach and we're thinking, what's going on here? And then the wind started picking up and we're thinking squall, our first squall. So we started heading downwind, which reduces pressure on the sails. And
yeah, we got up to 9 knots, but we were going in the wrong direction.
We're going in the wrong direction. So it started getting really crazy and we couldn't correct. So we brought down the jib and we brought down the main. And that's where we are right now. We are motoring.
Yeah, and it's still about 28 knots apparent wind. That was not what was predicted, so.
But we got practice. We didn't break anything. We didn't hurt ourselves.
I just motor up to around the point of Vieques, which is right over there. And once we get around the corner, then we will hopefully be able to throw up the jib and sail down along the south side of the island. This is Vieques, which is the Puerto Rican island, part of the Spanish Virgin Islands that is closer to Puerto Rico than Culebra. We are headed into the town of Esperanza. Wow, beautiful. We are in Puerto Patillas. It is a spectacular day here. Blue skies, absolutely gorgeous. A fairly quiet anchorage. Peaceful, no noise. While it is a beautiful day, we are trying to troubleshoot an issue with our engine. We have some oil in the engine bay.
So it's a beautiful day out here, but you know where I'd rather be, sweetie? I'd rather be right down in there in that spacious engine compartment that's nice and clean. So what we're gonna do is we've got an industrial cleaner. We also have some diapers.
This is a diaper that you use to soak up oil. We spent about 2 hours last night talking to people on the Leopard group. They are just amazing. Everyone was so helpful. Some wonderful man called Paul from the UK actually called us and did a video chat.
I'm tempted to drop the oil out of the engine. That's the problem.
He was amazing. Today our friend Nico has walked through some things with us. Our friend Yuka and Francesco, they also have tried to help us.
Okay, little baby, I'm sorry, I've got to borrow your diaper to clean the engine bay. Bet you thought that was a real baby. Well, maybe I'm the real baby when it comes to getting down there, but you know, you're out in the middle of nowhere, you got to do it yourself.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh!
Here I am! It may be clean. So what we think we have is a piece of corrosion up underneath the oil pan.
It's a beautiful morning here in Patillas. And today we're hopefully going to take off. Goodbye, Puerto Patillas. We are off. Today we are going 7 hours towards Ponce. And as you can see, the sea is like a lake. It is flat. There's very little wind. Only about 5 knots apparent. And so we're probably gonna have to motor the whole time. We are on our way to Ponce, or Ponce. I don't know how you say it.
Ponce.
I guess Ponce.
Ponce.
And yesterday
I do say Ponce.
Well, we're thankful to be underway. We did not think after yesterday that we would be moving today. We thought we might have to haul out. Thought we
feeling
might.
sorry for ourselves. Just off of one engine, we're going
Yeah.
5.7. So we've got some current going with us.
It is so peaceful. We have finally been able to turn the engines off, and we can see our destination in sight. It is that island there. That is where we're going to anchor overnight. We are on the southern coast of Puerto Rico. I'm going in to check the anchor.
Are ya?
Make sure it's dug in.
Man, that water's clean.
We are on the island on a boardwalk we're not supposed to be using because it was damaged in the hurricane, but oh well. We are, I think, gonna head for the lighthouse and explore the island.
Oh, looks like Century Hill all over again. What do you think, sweetie? Ah! We're loving it. It's a beautiful paradise. Everything here has thorns. Ah! 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 Cactus garden is what we're calling this because it's wall-to-wall cactus. Cacti. That's a cacti lanch right there. Cacti lanch. Like an avalanche, but with cacti. Now we've got the cactus hurdles. Very curious. Adventure of a lifetime. Haha. There it is. I don't think it's working anymore, do you?
Wow, that is beautiful. What'd you think of the hike?
Loved it.
Beautiful.
This was our first island, far off, desolate island that we've been to.
Yeah,
It's just the two of us.
yes it is.
This is why you own a boat and live on a boat.
For sure.
So you can do stuff like this. How'd you like it?
I loved it. Beautiful views, nice clean pathways.
Beautiful water. Can't wait for a swim.
Yeah,
And
really
the,
pretty.
Cactus and the arid feel was really unique.
Very.
The views were just,
Yeah, incredible.
It is a heart.
Oh, look, I found a piece of seagull.